Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Minio server on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Minio is a cloud storage server which is best suited for storing unstructured data such as photo, videos, log files, backups and container, flash your VM images. Size of an object can range from few KBs to maximum of 5 TB. Now let us see the installation of Minio server on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. For that, switch to your terminal. First, download the latest stable version of your Minio server with the help of wget command. After downloading the package, provide executable permission for your downloaded file. After which, run the following to start up your Minio server. In this, it will be provided with the access key and secret key, and this is your browser access. You can use this URL to access your Minio browser. For that, open your default web browser. And access it with the help of this. This is nothing but your machine's IP address. This IP address is my machine's IP address. If you install it in your machine, here it will be provided with your machine's IP address. Once you put your URL inside your browser, it will be shown in this page where it will ask for the access key and secret key. For that, switch to your terminal again. In your terminal, copy the access key. Similarly, your secret key. And this prompts you to your Minio browser. Minio browser is a storage device. In this session, we have seen how to install Minio server on your OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Next, in our upcoming sessions, we'll see how to install Minio clients and configure it. And thus, we have seen how to install Minio server on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.